Wild animals. Orangutan, orangutan. Fox, fox. Alligator, alligator. Deer, deer. Bear, bear. Elephant, elephant. Zebra, zebra. Cheetah, cheetah. Bison, bison. Giraffe, giraffe. What is the name of this animal? It's an orangutan. What about this one? That's a fox. What do we call this animal? That's an alligator. This cute animal is a deer. Reminds you of Bambi. This animal is a bear. There are different types of bears in this world. The largest mammal on land. It's an elephant. This animal is a zebra. You can either pronounce it zebra or zebra. The fastest animal. Yes, a cheetah. This beautiful animal is a bison. How about this one? A long neck. It's a giraffe. Let's match. Orangutan, alligator, fox. Elephant, bear, deer. You got it. Cheetah, bison, zebra.